Hey guys, Jonathan here from Flipper Boats. And now I get to introduce you to the Flipper 900 ST. The 900 ST is the perfect getaway. A modern sports cruiser designed for fantastic drivability and fun, but it's got everything you need for a family adventure or a weekend away with your mates. As you'll see, it's all about the little and the big things that makes this boat a game changer in the 30-foot category. Let's start with some of the big things. This boat measures a touch over 9 meters with a width of 3.15 meters. So you might be surprised to find here, in the aft, a spare cabin. Down here in the aft cabin, it's very cozy, but plenty of space for two. So you have complete privacy. Lots of natural light comes in both windows, and with the ventilation, you feel comfortable at all times. We'll get to the main cabin in the bow shortly. But before we get there, I want to show you guys the next big feature on this boat. That's here in the cockpit area. It's the roof. Now when it's closed, you get full protection from the sun. But if you want to let the sun shine in, it works electrically, so it opens up. You let sunshine in and fresh air flow through the cabin. So that's what makes this boat so versatile. When the roof is open, it's like an open boat. But when the weather takes a turn for the worse, you can close the roof and set up the canopy here at the back for full weather protection. And what about this space for dining? During the day you can lower the table electrically, set up a mattress, and you have a wonderful lounge. And here at the helm, it's everything you've come to expect from Flipper. It's safe, ergonomically designed, and positioned for a perfect view if you're sitting or standing. And how about this steering console? It's modern with a really clever design that makes sure you stay in control of your boat. So stepping down here into the cabin at the fore, you have the day head on your left, and you have a closet on your right. Moving even further forward, and you come into the main accommodation area. And it's a very spacious, comfortable bed with plenty of storage. All of this is finished to a very nice standard. Keep in mind the cabin at the back, and the 900 ST really does provide generous accommodation. So there are 3 ways you can gain access to the bow deck. Here through the center of the windscreen, or on either side of the cabin. And when you get here, what a space! Plenty of room for relaxation and sunbathing, and easy access to your bow storage or anchor winch if that's what you've selected. And now for a few of the little things that makes this boat special. For example, we have the stove protector that when you slide down like this, turns into an extra workspace. And here we are back at the aft cabin. Now you fold this backrest forward, fit the mattress, and you have an outdoor sunbathing platform. And here, even further back, you have 2 extended swim platforms and ladder with the optional hot and cold shower. And right here, you have a very strong platform. Now, this actually rises when you want to lift your engines out of the water, but it also acts as a bridge to your other swim platform. This boat is equipped with the optional rear anchor. You can keep plenty of provisions cool with the standard 49-litre fridge, or you can select 2 30-litre drawer fridges. When it's time to go and you're done with the lounge, simply put back the backrest and your passengers are ready to go. But before we head out for a drive, check out this storage. You're never going to be short of space to stash your gear. A weather front has just come in, so we'll close up the canopy and get going. Engine options include twin V6 225 horsepower outboard or twin V8 300 horsepower. These twin 225s that are specified on this boat are just perfect. There's plenty of thrust, plenty of torque, and a lot of power in reserve. You can specify twin 12-inch screens, and they sit above the touch button control. Everything is well within reach. It's ergonomical and it just makes sense. You feel in complete control of your boat at all times. Flipper's racing heritage really comes through in small details, almost like an echo from the time when Flipper was a prominent name on the Nordic racing scene. And you can feel that when you sit here at the helm and when you're driving the boat at speed, in the control and design of the hull. So what are the ingredients for the perfect getaway boat? Functionality, layout, design and space, mixed with drivability, control and handling with an outstanding hull. All of the things, both little and big, that make the 900 ST a game changer.